Alcohol linked to cancer. Alcohol is often linked to relaxation and socializing, but it poses a serious health risk due to its connection to cancer. Even moderate drinking can increase your risk. When alcohol is consumed, it's broken down into acetaldehyde, a toxic substance that can damage DNA and prevent cell repair, increasing cancer risk. Alcohol also affects hormones and causes chronic inflammation, further raising the likelihood of cancer. Alcohol is linked to several types of cancer, including mouth, throat, liver, breast, and colorectal cancer. Heavy drinking increases the risk of liver cancer, while even moderate consumption raises the risk of breast cancer by affecting estrogen levels. The good news is that reducing or cutting out alcohol can significantly lower your cancer risk. Even small reductions help the body repair itself and reduce exposure to harmful substances like acetaldehyde. The World Health Organization has identified alcohol as a carcinogen, and cutting back is one of the best ways to protect your health. To reduce alcohol consumption, set limits, replace alcohol with healthier alternatives, and find new habits to replace drinking. Every small step you take toward cutting back is a step toward better health. How alcohol harms your body. When you consume alcohol, your body processes it into a toxic substance called acetaldehyde. This chemical is classified as a Group 1 carcinogen by the International Agency for Research on Cancer, IRC, meaning it is a known cancer-causing agent. Acetaldehyde damages DNA and hinders the body's ability to repair damaged cells. DNA plays a crucial role in maintaining cellular health, and damaged DNA can lead to harmful mutations that result in cancer over time. Beyond acetaldehyde, alcohol also increases oxidative stress in the body. This leads to the production of free radicals, which can damage cells and promote inflammation, both of which are key contributors to cancer development. What types of cancer are linked to alcohol? Research has established a clear and compelling link between alcohol consumption and several types of cancer. Here's a breakdown of the most commonly associated cancers. Mouth and throat cancer. Alcohol irritates and inflames the lining of your mouth and throat, making it easier for carcinogens, such as those in tobacco, to cause harm. The combination of smoking and drinking drastically increases the risk. Esophageal cancer. The toxic effects of acetaldehyde are particularly significant here. For individuals with a genetic deficiency in enzymes that break down acetaldehyde, the risk is even higher. Liver cancer. Chronic alcohol consumption can lead to cirrhosis, a condition where scar tissue replaces healthy liver tissue. Cirrhosis significantly raises the risk of developing liver cancer. Breast cancer. Even light drinking is associated with a higher risk due to alcohol's effect on estrogen levels. Elevated estrogen levels can stimulate the growth of hormone-sensitive breast tumors. Colorectal cancer. Alcohol contributes to inflammation and cell damage in the colon and rectum, increasing the risk of cancer in these areas. These examples highlight the widespread impact of alcohol on various organs and tissues. The risks extend across different demographics, emphasizing that no amount of alcohol is truly safe. Why even moderate drinking is risky. It's a common misconception that only heavy drinkers face serious health risks. However, studies reveal that even moderate alcohol consumption, as little as 1 drink per day, can increase the likelihood of cancer. For instance, women who consume a single alcoholic beverage daily have a significantly higher risk of developing breast cancer compared to non-drinkers. Here's why. Hormonal impact. Alcohol increases estrogen levels in the body, a hormone closely linked to breast cancer. Weakened immune system. Alcohol suppresses the immune system, making it harder for the body to identify and destroy precancerous or cancerous cells. Synergistic effects. Alcohol amplifies the effects of other carcinogens, such as those found in tobacco or processed foods. Dehydration and repair. Hindrance. Alcohol dehydrates tissues and reduces their ability to repair themselves, leaving them vulnerable to damage. The risk is cumulative. The more you drink over time, the greater the danger. Alcohol's hidden calories and lifestyle impact. Many people overlook the caloric content of alcohol. A single glass of wine or beer can pack a significant number of empty calories, which contribute to weight gain. Excess weight is another major cancer risk factor, particularly for cancers like breast, liver, and colorectal cancer. In addition, alcohol often pairs with unhealthy lifestyle choices, such as poor diet, lack of exercise, and smoking. Together, these factors create a perfect storm for increased cancer risk. Can cutting alcohol reduce cancer risk? The short answer is yes. Studies consistently show that reducing or completely eliminating alcohol from your lifestyle significantly lowers your risk of cancer. The body has a remarkable ability to heal and regenerate when harmful substances like alcohol are removed. Immediate benefits. Within weeks of cutting back, you may notice improved liver function, better sleep, and enhanced immune response. Long-term gains. Over months and years, your cancer risk declines, particularly for cancers linked to alcohol-induced inflammation and DNA damage. If giving up alcohol entirely feels overwhelming, start small. Consider implementing the following strategies. Replace alcoholic beverages with non-alcoholic alternatives like sparkling water, herbal teas, or mocktails. Limit drinking to special occasions and keep it to a minimum. Seek support groups or resources if you find it challenging to reduce your intake. Remember, every small step matters. Even modest reductions in alcohol consumption can yield significant health benefits. Rethinking alcohol in social settings. Alcohol has long been ingrained in social culture. However, shifting our mindset can lead to healthier choices without sacrificing enjoyment. The rise of alcohol-free options, from zero-proof cocktails to non-alcoholic beers, offers an opportunity to enjoy gatherings without compromising health. Social tips for cutting alcohol. Be prepared. Bring your own non-alcoholic beverage to social events. Communicate your goals. Share your decision with close friends and family to gain their support. Experiment. Try new drink recipes and find a non-alcoholic alternative that you genuinely enjoy. Alcohol and cancer. The science speaks. Alcohol is directly responsible for approximately 5% of all cancer cases worldwide, and this figure continues to rise as alcohol consumption increases in many regions. Women who drink one alcoholic beverage daily increase their breast cancer risk by 7% to 10% compared to non-drinkers, and the risk grows with higher levels of consumption, highlighting a dose-dependent relationship. Combining alcohol with smoking raises the risk of cancers in the mouth, throat, and esophagus by up to 30 times, as alcohol acts as a solvent, allowing harmful chemicals in tobacco to penetrate deeper into the tissues. Even moderate drinking has been linked to an increased risk of liver cancer and colorectal cancer, emphasizing that safe levels of alcohol consumption may not truly exist. Alcohol-related cancer cases disproportionately affect individuals with a history of heavy or binge drinking. Yet even social drinkers are not immune. Research has shown that ethanol in alcoholic beverages breaks down into acetaldehyde, a known carcinogen that damages DNA and prevents cells from repairing themselves. These alarming statistics highlight the urgent need for increased awareness, proactive measures, and public health initiatives to reduce alcohol consumption and its devastating impact on health. Debunking myths about alcohol and health. Some argue that moderate alcohol consumption has health benefits, such as improved heart health due to compounds like resveratrol in red wine. While it's true that certain substances in alcohol may have positive effects, these benefits are often exaggerated and can be achieved through healthier means, such as eating a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables. The risks of alcohol far outweigh its potential benefits when it comes to cancer. Choosing non-alcoholic sources of antioxidants and heart-friendly nutrients is a safer and more effective option. It's time to shift the perception of alcohol from a harmless indulgence to a potential health hazard. With the growing availability of alcohol-free alternatives and increasing awareness about its risks, we have the tools to make informed choices. Take charge of your health today. Assess your current alcohol consumption and set realistic goals for reduction. Explore resources and support systems to help you make lasting changes. Share this information to spread awareness and encourage others to prioritize their health. Remember, awareness is the first step towards action. By making conscious decisions about alcohol, you're not only reducing your cancer risk, but also paving the way for a healthier, happier life. Your health is your most valuable asset. Protect it by making informed choices and supporting your body's natural ability to heal. If this information resonates with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to spread awareness. Together, we can build a future where health and happiness take center stage.